Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to open up my Birchbox for June 2021. And if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome, how are you? If you are into subjects regarding makeup, then we've got you covered. If you are into unboxings, we got you covered. But we also here talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia. If you are interested in any of those subjects, or if you are interested in all of those subjects, then I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you're updated every time that I upload a video. So if you are into today's subject, which is unboxing my Birchbox, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, now I finally got my box open, and this month's Birchbox looks like this. I guess that's the inside of a papaya, I imagine. What do you think? I like collecting these boxes. I almost like them better than the Ipsy boxes, which, by the way, the Ipsy bags, which, by the way, I am going to be opening my Ipsy bag and bags, but they are in purgatory right now. It takes forever for the mail system to get them to me, and I don't think Ipsy has mailed my Glam Bag Plus, which I don't know why, and because I did pay for it, so those might come a little late, maybe even at the beginning of the month. So just hold tight with me and I will get to those when they show up. So, Birchbox is a $15 a month subscription box. You get 5 deluxe size samples varying between makeup, hair care, skincare, all that good stuff, and you get to customize one thing in the box. And that's it. I will leave a link down below to Birchbox, and the theme is summer is here. It sure is. It's hot. If you love the samples you got this month, buy the full size in our summer essentials category. You'll find those and more in our picks that we're keeping on hand this summer. And it tells you what you got on the back, and it tells you the full size value of what you're getting. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And here's what I got. Let's start off with what I picked. It is the Sand and Sky Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask Glow and Plump. Full size is $61.90. This antioxidant-rich mask brightens and protects skin from dullness and pollution. Spread a thick layer onto clean skin and leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Wow, that's a lot of money. I have used this before and really liked it. I just used a sample size that I got from Ulta or something like that, but I did not know it was so darn expensive. Wow, I don't think I will be buying that. But we do have something very big in here called LM Rescue Butter, Lemon Superfood, all-in-one. It's from Dr. Botanicals, and it says it's a rescue butter. Lemon Superfood all-in-one rescue butter. This multi-use butter can be used as a moisturizer or a treatment for extra dry areas on your body. It's packed full of minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins to renew dry skin. Well, you're talking no, what do you say? You're talking, you got my number, whatever. Let's get you open here because I have very dry skin. I also have a lot of moisturizers. It doesn't really have a smell. I got some on my nose. And I have glitter all over my hands from the last video I did. And if you're interested in this look that I have on my eyes, that is using the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions eyeshadow palette. I will leave the link down below if you want to watch it. Oh, it does have a lemony scent to it once you get it going. It is a little greasy, but I can see that going away in a few minutes. I love the smell. I love lemony smells. Not really citrusy smells, just lemony smells. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh boy, I can't read that. Oribe Straightaway Smoothing Blowout Cream. Okay, that's what she looks like right there. Oribe Straightaway Smoothing Blowout Cream. Full size is $44. Okay, I forgot to say the Dr. Botanicals hand cream is full size $19.90. That's not bad. I might have to buy a full size of that after I'm done with this. Okay, get sleek, shiny hair without sacrificing body. Thanks to this styling balm that reduces frizz and flyaways. Apply throughout damp hair, section by section, before blow drying. Okay. I like nice and shiny hair. I don't like frizz or flyaways, so that's something to try out, even though I usually wear my hair up in a wig or in my Juvabine. It's something I'll use either way. And the last two products are a shampoo and a conditioner. They are called Minus 417. The shampoo, it says Replenishing Moisture Mineral Shampoo. This amazing mineral shampoo takes hydration to a new level by helping seal moisture in. Apply shampoo on wet hair, massage into a lather, and rinse thoroughly. Does anybody here not know how to use shampoo? Okay, just letting you know. And this is the Deep Nourishing Mineral Conditioner. Oh, full size for both of these is $22. The silky smooth vegan conditioner allows your hair to be light, manageable, and maintain its volume. Apply conditioner on wet hair, massage into a lather, and rinse thoroughly. Just to let you know. Okay, knowing what I know, what I wanted to do with this was put it up against my Glam bag, my Ipsy Glam bag. And knowing what I know about my Glam bag, what is coming in my Glam bag, because I do get to sneak peek what is in my Glam bag, I can go ahead and put it battle to battle. I'm not going to tell you what's in my Glam bag, but knowing what I know, I can highly tell you that these two are pretty good all-stars in this box. I wasn't expecting this to like this as much as I did, because you can preview what you're getting in the Birchbox before it shows up too. So knowing what I know about my Ipsy bag coming in, I think the winner is going to be my Ipsy bag coming in. And I'll tell you why when I get my Ipsy bag. But this has some pretty solid products in it. I can't tell you if I'm going to like the shampoo or not. That you will probably know in my empties, when I do my seasonal empties, probably in September. And until then, give this a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave me a comment down below telling me if you get Birchbox, if you got the same things, or what you picked out for your choice item. And if you got your Ipsy bag yet or not. I don't know. I'm a pretty newish customer, so I'm pretty low priority for them. I made my choice today for next month's Ipsy Glam bag, but I know my Glam bag is on the way because I see it in my shop app. It's just stuck in the mail somewhere. So, again, like this video, leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And like I said, I will leave a link down to Birchbox if you are interested. I know it is not as cheap as Ipsy Glam bag, and you are not as likely to get makeup in this one, but you do sometimes. But I like Birchbox a lot. I started doing Birchbox long before I started doing Ipsy. And I found a lot of products that I like through Birchbox. So that's why I keep doing it. And I'm just droning on. So I hope you are having a wonderful day today. And if you are not having a wonderful day today, I hope it gets better for you. And that I hope tomorrow is a better day for you. But if you are going through a rough patch, I am sending you out all the good vibes so you can help get better. I know how it is. It will get better. Time heals all wounds. We all have rough patches in our lives. So just remember to stay strong and to keep eating healthy and being healthy, or even if it means taking a walk outside every once in a while. And stay safe. And I will see you in my next video, I hope. And I will bid you farewell. Okay, take care. Goodbye.